In almost every organization, there's one person, sometimes two if you're lucky three, who looks at the exact same numbers as everyone else and sees something different. Not because they're smarter, but because they've spent years looking at that data in that specific context. They know which variances are just seasonal noise. They know when a pattern is the early sign of a real problem. They know, without anyone asking, what needs to be investigated this week. The problem is that person can't be everywhere. A chain with 1,000 locations can't depend on a single mind to process everything. And the AI tools available today, modern as they look, still need someone to ask the right question before they give you anything useful. That's the real problem that traditional analytics hasn't solved. It just made the interface prettier. Most companies have good dashboards today. Clean, automated, updating in real time. And yet, every Monday morning, someone on the team is still opening a spreadsheet and starting to dig because store 47 underperformed. Because 3 properties in the Southeast have weird numbers. The dashboard showed it. Of course it did, but it didn't explain why. This is where Scoop Analytics does something genuinely different. Their domain intelligence platform doesn't wait for questions. The process starts by capturing the judgment of the organization's best operators, the patterns they look for, the thresholds that concern them, the reasoning they apply when they spot an anomaly. That knowledge gets encoded into structured investigation logic, and that logic runs on its own every week across every single entity in the operation. It doesn't hand you a chart and wait. It delivers the completed investigation, what happened, why it happened, and what to do about it. For every location, every property, every agent. The difference isn't incremental, it's architectural. A Scoop client, a retail chain with over 1,000 locations, described their situation in a way that captures the problem perfectly. There is one person in our organization who can look at these reports and see what is going to happen 6 months from now. We have over 1,000 locations. He cannot get to all of them. We are trying to scale that person. That's exactly what Scoop does. Every week, the system runs hundreds of diagnostic probes across every store. Locations that trigger alerts get 15 or more additional diagnostics, plus machine learning root cause analysis. The output? 48 reports across 39 locations, fully automated with no human analyst in the loop. And along the way, the system surfaced something no dashboard would have caught. Customer loyalty tier turned out to be the single strongest predictor of year-over-year performance change. A systemic insight that would normally take months of exploratory work to find. Dashboards aren't the problem. They're still useful for monitoring. But monitoring isn't the same as investigating. The last 10 years of analytics made data more accessible, more visual, easier to query. All of that mattered, but it never solved the real bottleneck, the judgment required to turn a number into a decision. The question isn't whether AI can help with analytics anymore. Clearly it can. The question is whether the AI an organization is using actually knows their business, or is it still waiting for someone to ask it the right question?
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.